Best Pixel 9 Pro XL Screen Protectors of 2024. Google unveiled its Pixel 9 series at the Made by Google event on August 13, including the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL, and the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Out of these, if you decided to pre-order a Pixel 9 Pro XL featuring a 6.8-inch Super Actua display, buy a case of your phone to prevent it from any kind of damage done by drops or scratches. This protection measure is indispensable considering buying a Pixel 9 Pro a major investment that you would definitely want to protect. Since choosing a good case can be hectic due to the different options available, Gad Insider has gathered a list of high-quality Google Pixel 9 Pro XL cases that offer an enhanced user experience. iVolar 3-pack screen protector tempered glass. It's overall the best Google Pixel 9 Pro XL screen protector due to its tantalizing packaging, a self-installation frame, and a high-grade tempered glass screen protector. Moreover, the 3 screen guards present in the box provide your phone with extra protection. Super Shield's 3-pack screen protector PET. If you don't like the thickness of tempered glass screen protectors, as it sometimes slows down touch response, then the Super Shield's 3-pack Google Pixel 9 Pro XL screen protector PET is a good choice as it doesn't cost that much. Also, the brand name Super Shields is something you can easily trust. And Nokua 2-pack camera lens protector. And Nokua offers 4 tempered glass protectors in the box, 2 for the phone's display and the other 2 for the camera, and several screen protectors in the box. It's available at a very affordable price.